Welcome back to NLTech. Today we will learn about the top 12 most modern wood excavators and crushers today. The Bandit Beast 4680 is a powerful and efficient woodworking machine. With the ability to handle large materials such as trees, branches and wood waste, this machine makes heavy work a quick and easy process. With a powerful motor, sharp chipping system and stable operation, the Bandit Beast 4680 can handle almost any type of wood and heavy materials in a short time. This is an indispensable tool for high-performance jobs in the woodworking industry. Look at that! The Alger's excavation stump shear is doing an amazing job. With its superior power, it easily cuts through tough and deep tree stumps. In just seconds, it operates smoothly, accurately, and handles the job quickly and efficiently. Each cut is clean, powerful, and neat, making the job easier than ever. This is truly a great tool, saving time and effort. The Bandit 3500 is impressive in action. With its powerful motor and sharp chipping system, the machine processes large wood quickly and efficiently. Every operation is precise, saving time and effort. We are looking at the Bandit chippers, a real powerhouse. With an impressive motor and efficient chipping system, it crushes wood quickly and easily. Each log is processed neatly and precisely, and every step goes smoothly. This is a great wood processing machine, saving time and delivering high efficiency. Look, the Carlton SP7015 is truly amazing. With its powerful motor, it handles large logs with ease and speed. Everything is so smooth, from cutting the wood to crushing, all very precise. Definitely a powerful and efficient tool that makes the job much simpler. The Carlton SP7015 is definitely a powerful machine. Every large log is crushed easily, and every operation is quick and efficient. The stability and durability of the machine make every job easier. For those who witnessed it, it is clear that this is a superior tool, saving effort and significantly increasing productivity. Nothing can be difficult for the Carlton SP7015.
We
We are looking at the Holzhacker Remick branded chippers, a truly impressive machine. With its powerful motor and sharp chipping system, it easily handles large logs quickly and efficiently. Each log is crushed neatly, and the machine operates smoothly and precisely. From an observer's perspective, this is a great tool that makes woodworking work quick and time-saving. We are looking at the Holzhacker Remick branded chippers, a truly impressive machine. With its powerful motor and sharp chipping system, it easily handles large logs quickly and efficiently. Each log is crushed neatly, and the machine operates smoothly and precisely. From an observer's perspective, this is a great tool that makes woodworking work quick and time-saving. The Morbark 1300V tub grinder is truly impressive, with the ability to crush large materials such as wood and waste. The machine works powerfully and efficiently. The sharp chipping system makes the work go quickly. Everything is handled neatly and smoothly. For us people, this is a great tool, saving time and improving work efficiency. The Morbark 1300V is not only powerful but also very reliable in all situations. We are witnessing the Wood Miser WB2000 in action. With advanced cutting technology and the ability to handle large logs, the machine is powerful and precise. The sharp blade system cuts wood quickly and smoothly, producing high-quality wood panels. Every operation is smooth, fast, and efficient. The Wood Miser WB2000 is truly an outstanding machine, delivering outstanding performance and saving time for woodworking work. The Pezzolato All-Road 1000 is impressive in action. With the ability to handle large logs with ease, the machine operates powerfully and flexibly on any terrain. The wood is crushed quickly and precisely thanks to the sharp chipping system. Every operation is smooth and efficient, saving time and effort. With the Pezzolato All-Road 1000, woodworking becomes faster and more efficient than ever. The Prentice Forestry Mulcher is truly amazing. With its powerful power, it easily crushes large trees and bushes in a snap. Everything is done quickly and efficiently, from pruning to cleaning the area. For us, this is a great tool that saves time and effort, bringing high efficiency to clearing and logging work. The Savannah 1720 is truly impressive. With its powerful motor and huge wood handling capacity, it works smoothly and efficiently. Each log is processed quickly and accurately, making the work much faster. For us, this is a powerful tool that saves time and effort, bringing high efficiency in logging and wood processing. Thank you for watching today's video. If you find the video interesting and meaningful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to watch the latest videos.